coleslaw. It can change the entire game with your whole barbecue situation.
Someone waving me around. Someone carried me home. What was never noticed.
We've got our smoked pulled pork. We've got our smoked green chili mac and cheese with bacon topping. We've got our homemade mustard barbecue sauce and our homemade barbecue sauce. And now we've got our tangy coleslaw. And this coleslaw is going to help marry all these flavors together in your mouth. And it's just going to help finish all the flavor that we're looking for with a good barbecue care package to make the people that we want to smile, right? So let's get into it. Let's get our cabbage and make our coleslaw. You know, you don't have to have a food processor, but I'm going to use one because we're gonna need shredded carrots and shredded cabbage, and it's just gonna make your day so much easier. So I'll link to a really cheap one in the description below. If you don't have one, you should pick one up. It will make your life so much easier for so many other things, but coleslaw definitely makes it easier. We're gonna need 4 cups of green cabbage. Slice your green cabbage in half, notch out the core. And goodbye, core. Same thing on the other one. We're gonna want half of a purple cabbage too, because purple's beautiful. But before we shred, let's just cut it into thirds so that it fits down the chute of our food processor. And you could also just use your knife if you wanted to. It just takes a lot longer, but we're cooking a lot of things. So let's go to the food processor.
Some were playing around. Some were dapping so low. Nothing seemed to matter as the night slipped away. It was so
So here's a bite of the coleslaw. It is lovely, very colorful. Let's see if it's the game changer that I talked about. I don't like long strips of cabbage in my coleslaw. I'd rather it be kind of shredded this way. Same thing with the carrots, you know. This is quite lovely. Not as tangy as I was kind of hoping for, but if you want to add some more tang to yours, add a little bit more Dijon mustard, maybe a little bit more apple cider vinegar. So that's the coleslaw recipe. I hope you've enjoyed this barbecue care package series. I've enjoyed making that. It was a ton of work and I'm honestly exhausted right now, but I will have a very full belly as soon as I finish eating my meal. As always, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Let you go.